What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage. To show you guys that I do listen to you, the viewer. A while back, somebody posted this comment. And you know what? Let's find out together if you can indeed off-road in New Jersey. Look at him. I got the wife behind the wheel. This is great. I love it. She is so scared. And this, my friends, this is how you off-road in New Jersey. Should be a cool spot right here. Show the suspension doing its thing. See? Like nothing happened. She is so scared. It's awesome. Say hi. This is actually just a little hidden gem right by my house. There's actually some sort of a trail up ahead there, but if you look here, yeah, you can relax a little bit near the Musconetcong River, and it's just basically a small little entrance to it, but a little bit of fun in the mud nonetheless. But I always like coming in here and checking out just the water. I think it's really cool how you got that little island right there in the middle with a bunch of trees growing out of it. Super cool, super relaxing. Off-roading nonetheless. All right, let's keep going. Well, guys, as far as trails go and little sections of off-roading, this one, to be honest with you, is the one that I would ask you to please be a little extra cautious. It's totally doable, but in the winter time, as you will see in a second, there are some sections in this trail that do get pretty muddy. So please be aware. All right, let me give you guys a shot from inside the car. This is definitely one of those spots that, yeah, you gotta have a car that's ready for this kind of stuff. Some of these sections are pretty deep. I can actually feel the gravel, the terrain rubbing on the bottom portion of the car, but it's totally doable for a 4runner, that is. For the gentleman that commented on one of my short videos that he could do that with a Venza, yeah, where you at, man? Where's your Venza? I don't think your Venza is going to be able to tackle this. Actually, let me rephrase that. I'm pretty sure of it. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm going to turn around and start heading to a normal road now. And as always, guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed, well, I don't know what to tell you. If you know of any other trails, share them in the comments down below. But in the meantime, I hope you guys are enjoying your cars, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Boy, oh boy, do I got a treat right over there for you guys. Oh, did I show too much? Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite colors, man. Army green. I'm a sucker for this. I think everybody knows that. Every time I see one come through the shop. Anyways, enjoy the footage. This one is definitely worth your time. Trust me. There you have it, guys. It is simply modified, tasteful. This is exactly how I would have mine if I had one in this color. 100%. Down to the tires, man. This guy definitely has the correct tires in this car. This is exactly the way I would do it. A little more aggressive tire, but it's definitely quiet as can be for what it does. And look at these, man, how do you even call these things? I'm like speechless right now, guys. Rock sliders, side steps, because although this is a rock slider, by all means, totally looks like you could, yeah, basically use it as a step, obviously. But yeah, this is the real deal. TRD Pro, obviously. You got this beautiful Gobi roof rack that is a thing to see. I mean, look at this thing. It looks like it came this way. Boy, I am taking so many notes with this car. It's properly done. Now, when I say properly done, yeah, of course, the ladder in the back by the same exact company. You guys want to see the attention to detail that went on with this one? Well, check this out. You saw the tires there, right? Yeah, I think you know where I'm going with this. Spare tire, matching the rest. There, my friends, it's a little small thing, but hey, I noticed it. And now you guys know it too. Anyways, thank you, Mr. Hung. I hope I'm not butchering your name, for stopping by. It is always a pleasure to work on this car. See you on the next one.